Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be using this stamping plate. I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can purchase it if you're interested. I'm also going to be using red and white gel polish, and I'm going to also leave the link to the stamping paint that I'm going to be using for this video. And now to get started, I'm going to be painting the ring finger and the pointer finger with white gel polish, and the rest are going to be red. And after I had applied 2 coats of gel polish, I'm going to be painting a rectangle on the ring finger. And after I finish the rectangle, I'm going to apply a coat of top coat because I'm going to be writing Supreme, and just in case I mess up, I can just swipe with alcohol and it won't mess up the gel polish. And now I'm going to be applying a red drip. What I did is I'm going to be using my liner and I'm just grabbing as much as I can with the liner, the tip of it, and just place it wherever I want it and swipe up slowly so the line looks thinner as I get to the top. This is the pattern that I'm going to be using. I'm going to apply this on the red nails, and I also have my lint roller ready to take off the excess from my stamping tool. I'm also going to be using these logos. I'm going to apply it on the white nail, and on some of the design it looked a little patchy, so I ended up just going over with my liner to fill up whatever was missing paint. And this is our final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you next time.